The 2011 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, CD changer, all-wheel drive, stability control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, hard disk drive media storage, keyless entry, climate control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.